Hello everyone. In this video we discussed about civil engineering and what are the scopes are there in civil engineering. First of all, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering is the oldest engineering. It deals with the design, construction and maintenance of structure or public works as they are related to earth, water or in space. Civil engineering is also known as the mother of all engineering. Now we will discuss what are the various branches in civil engineering. Generally, 8 different types of civil engineers are there. That is structural engineering, transportation engineering, urban planning engineering, water resources engineering, construction engineering, environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering and material engineering. Now let us discuss one by one. First one is structural engineering. What is meant by structural engineering? Structural engineers are trained to design the bones and muscles that create the form and shape of man-made structures. Then they are identify loads to be resisted and identifies alternatives for providing load paths, design structures to provide safe and economical load path. The next one is transportation engineering. What is the importance of transportation network? It is necessary for economic, cultural and social life of people of a country. The movement of people and goods can only be possible with a good transportation network. Then the security of a country requires a good transportation network. The next branch is urban planning engineering. It is also known as regional planning, town planning, city planning or rural planning. They are focused on the development and design of land used and built the environment including air and water. Then the next branch is water resources engineering. Water resources engineering is the quantitative study of the hydrologic cycle, distribution and circulation of water linking the earth, atmosphere, land and ocean. So, civil engineering plays a vital role in water resources engineering. The next branch is construction engineering. The construction engineers are construct or build the environment including public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewage systems and pipelines, etc. The next one is environmental engineering. Environmental engineers improve and maintain the environment to protect and enhance human health along with the world's ecosystems. It includes safe disposal or cleanup of potentially harmful waste and the design of strategies to protect the environment in products, buildings, recreation areas. So environmental engineering make future better. The another one branch is geotechnical engineering. They are understand ground behavior and interaction between soil and structure. It involves the study of foundations, slopes, retaining structures, highway pavement design, embankments and earth dams, tunnels, underground structures, etc. Then the last one is material engineering. The modern civil engineering needs to deal with traditional construction materials as well as advanced materials. The traditional materials such as timber, steel, Portland cement, etc. Now let us discuss what are the various softwares used in civil engineering. Most wanted softwares used in civil engineering are AutoCAD, StatBro, ETABS, ANSYS, SAP 2000, Revit, ArcGIS, ArchiCAD and Primavera. Then next, what types of career options are there future for civil engineers? There are two different types. First one is core sector, then second one is self-employment. If core sector means the possibility of private sector, public sector or any other government sector. If self-employment means there is a possibility of structural designer, builder and contractor. Then next, what are the possible government exams are available after graduation? The list of government exams are UPSC Civil Services Examination, RBI Grade B examination, SBI BO examinations, RRB JE, SSC JE, Indian Railways examination, SBI clerk examinations, etc. So if you are a civil engineer means you will get a lot of government exams. Finally, civil engineers convert dreams into a reality. Every day is an adventure when you are a civil engineer. Not the least, God found a few strongest women and made them civil engineers. I am also proud to say strongest woman because I am a civil engineer. Thank you.